Welcome to ZaranTech on how to build an SAP Cloud Application Programming Model application. Explore the power of SAP Cloud Application Programming Model with this comprehensive guide to building a fully functional cloud app. Learn everything you need to know about data models, service layers, UI implementation, and more. In this overview, we'll discuss the key capabilities and benefits of the SAP Cloud Application Programming Model, or CAP for short. CAP enables collaborative development with a unified model-driven approach. It provides flexible data management using core data services to define and query data models. You can build beautiful user interfaces with Fiori and UI5. The backend is fully featured using Node.js and APIs to support asynchronous processing and more. Overall, CAP streamlines the development of cloud-native apps on SAP Cloud Platform. When developing CAP applications, follow these best practices. Modularity and reusability. Structure your app in a clear, modular way to promote reuse of components and separation of model, services, and UI. Testing and debugging. Utilize logging, unit tests, and automated scripts to evaluate performance and validate requirements. Security. Build in security focused on data confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Use authentication, authorization, encryption, and access controls. Following these practices will lead to scalable, high-quality CAP applications. Let's overview the key architectural components of a CAP application. Data models define the domain entities with CDS and manage data conversion. The service layer provides functionality and exposes services as REST APIs. Front-end development uses SAP Fiori and focuses on UIS and optimization. Deployment to the SAP Cloud Platform. Testing and debugging best practices. Understanding this architecture helps guide the development process. Now let's drill into building the data model. This involves creating a domain data model to represent the business objects, defining the structure of CDS entities that make up the model, mapping data between the entities and underlying database tables. Getting the data model right is crucial for the rest of the application. The service layer has three key aspects. Overview. The service layer encapsulates business logic and connects the UI and data layers. Service definition and activation. This is how services are defined and activated in the app. Exposing services as REST APIs. Services can be exposed as REST APIs for consumption. The service layer is where the business capabilities are implemented. For the front-end UI development, SAP Fiori provides a consistent UX approach across apps. Features for optimizing performance and usability. Fiori enables creating consumer-grade interfaces for CAP apps. To define high-quality APIs. Understand the anatomy of an API request. Create clear, concise naming conventions. Manage API versions carefully for consistency. Well-defined APIs improve developer experience. When implementing the UI, follow UI architecture and component principles. Make the UI responsive across devices. Leverage UI design best practices for usability. This results in intuitive, effective UIs. To deploy your CAP app, use SAP Cloud Platform for provisioning and deployment. Consider infrastructure requirements and sizing. Deploying to SAP CP provides cloud scale and agility. Robust testing and debugging involves unit testing. Critical pieces of business logic integration. Testing services and components together. Debugging and troubleshooting issues. Testing and debugging are critical for high quality. In summary, developing CAP applications requires solid data modeling with CDS, implementing services for business capabilities. SAP Fiori for UX development. Testing, debugging, and cloud deployment. Following these best practices will lead to modern, cloud-native apps on SAP CP. Thank you for your time. Don't hesitate to contact us via our website, email, or phone number on the slide for more information on SAP. We offer implementation services, customization, training, and support.